Joy Global is a holding company that's headquartered in Milwaukee. The largest manufacturing facility for our P&H division is also located in Milwaukee. We manufacture large electric mining shovels, blast hole drills, and drag lines. Basically, they are effectively the largest moving machines on Earth. They are the size of houses, yet are still mobile. About 2 years ago, our safety department approached us on a way to get people alerted to either evacuate areas or even just in case of tornadoes or other storms to take shelter. They actually went out on their own and installed an alerting system on their own. So we were coming in with the phone system about 2 years behind them. You know, what we're working hard toward is actually integrating the two systems and at some point potentially phasing out the legacy system. A single button push on our security guard's phone is going to activate the system. Our very first test with InformaCast and with the legacy alerting system that they had installed, very huge success. The people were amazed that the phones could do that. It was the talk of the plant for about a week of what we could do with the phones. So because we could break down by zones and even down to individual phones, the safety department was all over that. So we knew about the paging capabilities with InformaCast, but it was kind of a secondary product. We originally wanted the CallAware product to alert the guard shack of someone dialing 911. Going around the private or the internal number that they were supposed to dial. The fire department were to roll up saying, "Where's your emergency?" Again, 45 acres, we have no idea where this person is. We did have a gentleman a week and a half ago have a heart attack. And they dialed the internal number. The internal first responder showed up, but there was a young woman that was right there, right by him when he fell down, had the AED hooked up to him, and pretty much everyone's certain that she saved his life because he was, the AED picked up no pulse, no heartbeat, and it zapped him. But that case, the call was made. Security guards knew who was calling. They had someone they could speak to and find out more information. But in case he had been the one dialing 3333, at least then too, the CallAware system would have made them aware where that call was placed. The nine out of 10 comments were to the effect of, I thought this was just a phone system. They didn't have any concept that they're not just phones, but this is a communication system. They're so used to, the phone's a phone, and your email's your email, and never shall the two meet, or at least that was the mindset. And the fact that we could use this, both use audio alerting or visual alerting, that was great.